Okay, so how am I going to do this? It kind of doesn't fit on the screen. That's how large it is. Well, let's just give it a go. Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something utterly crazy. So I'm part of a Facebook group and I offered to draw people who wanted to be drawn there. So I did ask for everyone's permission and about 21 people responded. Well, one responded for 5 people in total, but I have 21, so including myself, it's 22 people to draw for this project. And it took so long, and I don't know why I even wanted to do this at this point. But I love the end result. It's absolutely amazing. I did try and fit everything on the canvas because I kind of always draw big and I had to size everything down. And on my iPad, I did not have a good feel on how big I had to make everything for some reason. So this is the line art that I've made on my iPad, and then I had to send it off to the printer. So we're here at the printer. I don't know if I can film inside, but let's go and see if they can print it on A3 for us, because that is the size that I'm looking for. So wish me luck. So I didn't get to film inside, but that's okay. I managed to get it printed on A3 paper, and when I was there, they let me experiment on different kind of paper, like really smooth paper. That didn't really work because the colors were just lying on top of each other, and like every time I tried to mix a color, you could just see it pooling up, and it didn't behave on paper as well as I'm expecting it to. And in the end, we found quite quickly, actually, we found a really heavy paper. I think it's 350 what's called GSM paper, so that's really thick, and it kind of is the same as my blending paper that I've got. So that was really great. It behaved the same as well. It did have some of the same downsides too, where there's white specks popping up on the actual paper if you really look closely on it, and there's absolutely nothing I can do. So I'm really sorry guys, if you're looking for a copy of my actual final artwork of this, I'm happy, absolutely happy to give you one, because I'll have it up for you. I promise that, absolutely no problem. But yeah, if there's white specks or inconsistencies, that might be because of the actual paper too. And when I was drawing this in or coloring this in, I had this on my desk, and then there was like a light at the top as well. And my lighting is quite odd because I don't have proper lighting yet. Saving up for that. But because of that, there was like a sheen on the paper, and because I printed the line art like lit up, and like it was looking quite weird from the angle I was working on. So I couldn't really work from looking right up on top of it. I had to like go down and be at the front. I don't know how to explain that, obviously, because I really suck at this. So I'm really sorry guys, I'm just rambling at this point. But anyway, I managed to do this, and I managed to color everything in, and I'm really so happy. I'm so excited. I could finally start the coloring process, because the sketch and the line art took me ages, and then I had it ready, and then I was like, okay, well, I have to go to the printer now to have this printed out, and then I have to pay them and everything. By the way, the service there was really amazing. I'm really happy with how they've handled it. They gave me extra backboards and everything to make sure that my color would not bleed on my actual desk. So like the gray board you can see behind there is actually what they gave me, and they're huge, absolutely huge. So that's perfect. It's good for a backdrop too, so that works for now. And yeah, here I am coloring everything in actually. So I've had so many people to draw, 22 people in total. And one guy had his family, he wanted in there as well, so absolutely no problem. So this is kind of like a really big shout out video as well, but shout out / coloring video. So you can see that I started out with the top left, and that is a man and a goat, and I really loved drawing his arms. He's got the huge arms and very muscly. And that's kind of how he came across to me on like the reference picture as well. So I figured why not exaggerate it and just draw it like this. I really liked how that ended up, and it looks like a shirt says training to eat Goku. I'm pretty sure it says training to beat Goku, but yeah, let me know what it actually says, because I think it says training to beat Goku, but I might be wrong. Like, what do I know? Like, your tie is in front of it. So that picture is from Mr. Goat, and you'll see all the names of the channels popping up on the screen as well when I'm working on them. And if you want to go visit their channels, I'll put the link down in the description box below. That's absolutely no problem. So the goat is Mr. Goat, and hanging on his arm with the woman above there, the little guy on a TV, because it's a TV with a poop emoji, because they rate like things like the channel is crap my dad makes me watch. So I think I've actually seen that on their channel as well, that they've used that emoji. Again, let me know if you did. But I thought it was just really funny because they rated a 1, so it was kind of poop. So, and the guy is from crap my dad makes me watch too. So at the bottom left there is Louloubieberful, and I really like the hoodie she's got on. It's very colorful and it really suits her, and I think I captured her likeliness as well. So I hope everyone likes it so much. I'm so nervous to show this guy to everyone, you guys. Like, you have no idea. Like, I know my mother-in-law said she liked it. I'll tell you something funny about her later. But yeah, I'm just really nervous because every time I'm drawing people, I hope they're not offended or that they're not angry if I haven't captured something correctly. And yeah, I'm about that. Like, if I didn't get your skin color right, I'm really sorry. First, I have, I think, 3 or 4 sets of skin tones that I can pick, that I can use and mix and blend together, and that I have the markers for. And for some, I saw it just a bit differently. I've worked at night, I work during the day as well, so you can see the light change as well. Not that that's an excuse, no, don't get me wrong, absolutely not. But yeah, I'm really sorry if it looks like you've had too much of a holiday tan, especially Frank. In advance, you'll see later, I apologize. I thought that color would be lighter. I didn't realize it would be that dark, especially after putting the shadows in. I tried to fix it. I did. I didn't think I completely saved it, but I hope you can just consider that your holiday goals. Go tanning somewhere. maybe, I don't know, like a big tan, I don't know, sorry. Or if you haven't seen the sun, or if it looks like you haven't seen the sun in years, then I do apologize as well. I think everyone looks great though. I think I did an okay job, and I'm really happy with the end result. I'm so excited. I'm still really nervous, guys, it's unbelievable. So yeah, next to Louloubieberful is Lordcookiegaming, and I love the glass on her head, and like, I've had to look for pictures of her, and I think I did quite well there, so I'm quite happy with that one. And on the little seat there is Laura Breneman, and yeah, not much to say about that, guys. If I'm happy with the end result, like, that's it, like, not much wrong there. And next to her in the black shirt with like the open sleeve, which I really like, by the way, I think it looks really cool, and I think it came out quite nicely on my drawing as well, is Sadie. And I think I gave you too much of a holiday tan there, sorry. And above her is Miscast Entertainment. And I do think I've only seen a picture of you after I colored this in where you look darker than this. So yeah, stay out of the sun, or I don't know what you have to do. I hope you don't mind, I'm so sorry. But I really liked all the colors that like those wings portray, or that those wings have. And if you don't know Miscast Entertainment, he does a lot of live shows as well, and I've been a guest on his as well, and it was absolutely amazing. I so loved it, I enjoyed it, it was so much fun. And he has like different kind of backgrounds that he can set up because he's got a green screen. And I remember seeing the angel wings several times, and the last few times he had like a devil kind of wing as well. So yeah, out of the both of them, I probably should have picked the devil wing, but personally I like this one more. So tough luck, this is what you got. But yeah, I really liked it with the microphone there. So that's kind of how he looks during his live streams there. So have a look there. So underneath Miscast Entertainment with the green shirt is Ganna, and Ganna is an artist as well, and she does animations as well, I think. So no, that's really, really nice, and have a look if you like those kind of things. So underneath there with the reverse cap on is Rikiko, and not much to say there either. Like, he's like, everything went well with drawing him, with coloring him in. Like, the shading actually worked well for a change. Like, usually I have an issue with green, I don't know why, but this actually worked quite well, so I'm really happy about that. Then we have in the pink with pink hair, Pixelpia. And a funny story about that. So my mother-in-law saw this picture well before you guys have seen it. And she was like, a Swede is like a vegetable here as well? Or something like a vegetable? I was like, oh, come on now, don't tell me, because I wasn't sure what your shirt said. So I saw the best and then yet, but I wasn't sure what like the word actually was. So I just filled in Swede because I was like, that would be perfect, you know. And then they were like, yeah, I think that's like a vegetable or something. And I was like, oh, come on, you got to be kidding me. No, don't tell me that it's really vegetable in all other parts of the world as well. Like, it can't be happening. This is done, this is colored in, this is drawn and printed and everything. I cannot change it, literally. And then I looked it up and I think it's okay. So no offense meant, I just meant the country from where you're from. So I think it's the right word for you to use. So let me know if it is, because I really hope so. Next to her is Biglohiphoptv, and I really like this hat. I think that looks quite nice with like the shading on there. I think I managed to capture that quite well. And for most of the people, I captured like the clothes as much as is on their reference pictures too. So that kind of works. And above him is Subzeromnx with the headset on, headphones on, and black shirt. I did give him a towel. I don't know why. Maybe he's just gone to the gym. I don't know if you're a gym person, but I wanted to give you props. So there you go. And behind him is Shark's house. So I gave him a tie that says in the house, because Shark's in the house. Yeah. I had a lot of fun drawing him though. I think the grey shading worked out quite well. I'm good with grey shading, I think. And below Shark's house is Living Art, and I think that is probably my favorite part of my drawing, because I like the outfit that I gave her, and of course, like, it's not really blanket, it's like cloth draped over like her arms and everything. I really like how that looks, and especially when everything is colored in, you'll see everything come together really good, and that's so exciting. So I'm really happy with that. And again, I tried to be as close to the reference picture as possible as well, but because I couldn't really see your whole outfit, I decided to use my creative liberties in order to make you an outfit from scratch. Kind of from scratch. And next is Dannymikreacts. So he's at the back right, and I didn't mean to put you in a corner, but you kind of ended up there. I hope you don't mind. I keep saying I hope you don't mind. Oh my god. Yeah, so I saw the cat there. I really wanted to draw the animal on the cap as well, and a black shirt, and there's a lot of black going on in this drawing, so you'll see me use like white lines around areas where I think things have gone too black, to try and differentiate between the two parts of the drawing. So that's what I did there, and I tried to give everyone the facial hair where they had it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So next is Frank, and yeah, here's where I was like, oh, you got to be kidding me, you got to be kidding me. And you'll see me make the fist as well, because like I wasn't quite happy with how it looks. Now I hope you like it. I really hope you do. I do think it looks like you, and yeah, it's got camera, it's got the hashtag sexy legs, it's got the hashtag tiny Frank. And that's all there is to it, you know. That's really what I wanted to incorporate. So you can see that the little dude between that group is kind of playing peekaboo as well. So I really want to put him in there. He's part of Crap My Dad Makes Me Watch, the guys who were at the left side. And I really wanted to have him there as in like I'm playing peekaboo, like I'm right here. So yeah, you always have that one kid that just runs off and does those things, you know. I don't know if they're like that in real life, but I just thought it was funny. So underneath there is the revolving door, and I really liked how that turned out. I really liked the position as well. I tried to work with as many different positions as possible and really tried to challenge myself, and I think that worked quite well. I really like it. I really think it works, and like, I suck at drawing feet, so yeah, that's awesome. Maybe your hand looks a bit weird, but also keep in mind it's kind of hidden with like the pants and stuff. So yeah, if you keep that in mind, that'd be perfect. And last but not least is is myself, because why not include myself in a drawing of 21 other creators. So you didn't see the end result of the cherry there. I'm just filling in the leaves here, and it looks absolutely amazing. And again, I really want to thank every single person who gave their permission for me to make this drawing, and that I can use your images as a reference and like put this video up. I think it's absolutely amazing. I really hope you guys like it. I'll show you some close-up shots as well. And guys, again, like, if you want a copy of this, I try to have like a copy for you guys available. Then I'll make sure that it's on the Facebook group, guys. This took several days to edit, but it was well worth it. Am I going to tackle another big project like this soon? No, not this size, I think, but I definitely won't rule it out for the future. It was really satisfying to get all the stages done, and I was so excited when the line art was done and when I could send that to the printer, and then when the coloring was done, and of course now that I can show it to you guys. So this is it, my biggest project to date. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks, bye!